In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can install Messenger app on your Windows laptop or PC. So for it, you just need to go to any browser, and in the browser, you need to search for AP Messenger for desktop. Then press enter, and here you need to go to this link. Here you can see en.softonic.com. So you need to click here, and I'll also give this link in the description. Just check it out, and after that, here you need to look for the messenger icon. So here you can see the messenger icon, and on the right side here you can see free download for Windows. So you need to click here, and here you can see free download for PC. You need to click here again, and it will start downloading, and there you can see it started and it's done. So after that, what you need to do is that you just need to double click on this downloaded file, and let me just minimize the browser, and here you can see. So I'm just going to click here install, and it will install Messenger. So here you can see connect with your favorite people. So what you need to do in order to log into the Messenger is that you just need to give your Facebook username and password, then click here continue, and also check this keep sign in, and it will take you to the Messenger. So I'll give my Facebook username and the password, and here you can see we are logged in. So I just need to give my security password here, a pin here, and there you can see right now we are logged into the Messenger. So yeah, this is how we can install and use Messenger app on Windows laptop or PC. I hope this was useful. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.